a little bit of a problem. I really don't know what I'm going to do.
Two different spaces.
Exactly. Let's cross our fingers. It should not be that big. Okay guys, so I've just got back from Harley Davidson, my local dealership, Peterson's, and they have switched the spacers out for the correct ones, which are the smaller size, so now the lids are closing on the bags, and they always look after me there. And now is the big reveal for the Sissy Bar and the rack. So I don't know whether you can tell from that, just from the top of it, let's throw that over there, but this is, I can't actually remember the name of the bar, but it's Suicide Choppers, and the reason I went for this one, let's see if I can open it, it's come really well packaged. One thing I will say about this company, I ordered it and it came within days. Okay, let's open this up. It's so well made, the welding on it is phenomenal, the paint on it is outstanding, and I'm super happy. So I didn't go for the pad, the backrest that goes on here. Reason being, I don't typically take people. So this is just so late for Sissy Bar bags and yeah, anything else. Like if I do a rally or something, I can then throw it on and I can use the luggage rack and bring stuff back. Okay, let's see if it goes on properly. So this is supposed to go into where my shocks are. I'm going to push that down. I'm going to bring you over actually to have a look. So what I've done, I've just put the top of it there into where the shocks are. I've pushed it down, and then this bit here perfectly fits around. So let me make sure that's open. Yeah. And then I'll close it down. It perfectly fits around the docking hardware there. So I'm going to shove that down, put it on, then I'm going to show you the rack and I'll show you all together. It's a little fiddly. These things are not the easiest thing to come off, and at the end of the day, that's definitely what you want. Let's be honest. You know, you don't want things flying off super easy. I might have to get, oh no, I did it. So did you hear the click then? And that now is like really locked in place. Woo, okay, we're getting there. Now I purchased the actual rack. I was going to get a Harley Davidson one and they didn't have it in stock. Let me move that camera back a little bit so you can see me properly. I ordered this rack from Nasty Hogs. The reason I went with this company is because over there I've got a ton of boxes, I need to get round to it. I ordered some hard bags, some saddle bags for my lowrider, and they are absolutely perfect, like out of the box. The quality on them is amazing. The service is great with Nasty Hogs, and also the delivery time. So I knew this would be really good. Paint on this, absolutely perfect. Couldn't be happier. So let's get this on and I'll show you what it all looks like. Front end of the Sissy Bar attaches to where the shocks are, and then it sits, the back end of it where you lock it into place sits on the outer edge of the docking system. The rack hooks into the inside of the docking system. You can see here you've got the rubber spacer for this to kind of slam down into, and then we're going to lock it into place there. I do not want to trap my fingers. So I just heard that click. I am definitely not going to take this off, and I'm going to push that in to lock it in. I might need to get some help with that because I don't want to trap my fingers. Okay, no, that one's in. Let's do this one. Oh, this side's a little bit more awkward. There's always one side, isn't there? I mean, that's not going anywhere anyway. So the final look, guys, on the bike. You can see there, I'm going to show you from the front as well. I really like it. I got the 16-inch one. You can get a better look there. The shorter version of the Sissy Bar. And I think that is called a stealth rack, and it's from Nasty Hogs. The Sissy Bar is from Suicide Choppers, and I'm going to be really honest, I could not be happier. I think it looks absolutely amazing. It's totally sturdy, it's going nowhere, and now I feel ready for my trip. So all of those boxes there, the Advent Black box and the Nasty Hogs, that's bags, that's a fairing. So I've got to put those on when I come back. But the little bits that you see there and that green thing in the corner is my tent. So I'm going to put my bike back and slam out another video for you guys, just kind of looking at what I've got for my trip, and then probably packing it on the bike at some point and doing a bit of a dry run. Whew, so wish me luck, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care guys, bye.